shopping, mall. So let's go. Hey guys, this is Priya. We reached Bangkok this morning at around 5 a.m. and we took a cab from the airport to our hotel in Sukhumvit, and we had to wait till about 10 o'clock and then we finally got a room. The hotel is pretty good and there's a nice pool which we are planning to explore tomorrow. Last night it was a short 2.5-hour flight from Calcutta to Bangkok, and once we reached the hotel this morning we were just too tired and hit the bed because we hadn't got any sleep last night. तो Bangkok पहुँचते ही हम सो गए और अभी शाम हो चुकी है, करीब शाम के 8 बजे हैं. अभी हम उठ के बिल्कुल फ्रेश होके रेडी हो चुके हैं और अब हम जाने वाले हैं. We are going to check out whatever is open around here in Bangkok. We are on the main area in Sukhumvit and there's Prashant. Before I step out of the room, I'll quickly give you a room tour. That's the corridor of the hotel. That is our room. So as we enter, there's the bathroom with a nice bathtub. That's the room. It's got the standard desk, you have the refrigerator there, and then you have the TV and the writing desk. Pretty comfortable bed. And now for the view. Ta-da! So we are going to be here in this room for about a week. We're on the main road. Hello! There's one more member ready. Let's head out and start exploring Bangkok.
हमारे आने वाले ट्रैवल वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें.
So this is where we are staying. This is the Manhattan Hotel on the Sukhumvit Road. This is the lobby area. So we are back at McDonald's because the rest of the group was hungry.
सबको जमकर भूख लगी थी तो सबसे पहले हम पहुंचे मैकडॉनल्ड्स पेट पूजा करने के लिए. हमारे ग्रुप में 2 वेजिटेरियंस भी थे और लकीली मैकडॉनल्ड्स में हमें वेज बर्गर्स मिल गए. बर्गर्स खाने के बाद हमने टुक टुक ले ली नियॉन नाइट मार्केट के लिए, जो हम होप कर रहे थे कम से कम 1 या 2 बजे तक खुली रहेगी. 10 मिनट में हम पहुंच गए नियॉन नाइट मार्केट और आगे का नजारा आप खुद ही देख लीजिए.
We are here at the Neon Night Market since the other malls were closed. So somebody suggested and it looks really bright and colorful. If you are in Bangkok and don't know what to do in the middle of the night, just head for the Neon Night Market. It's not too big, but there's quite a lot of stuff that you can find around here and easily spend around 2 to 3 hours just walking around browsing. And of course there's a lot of food stuff that you will find out here.
And we go.
We are done with scouting around in the night market and we were a little hungry. The food courts is still open and they had a few vegetarian options, so we ordered some vegetarian fried rice and some papaya salad with noodles and drinks to combat the heat. Cheers! So the papaya salad is here. It really looks good. There's some shredded papaya and there's a lot of veggies, tomatoes. Is this raw? Yes. It's really good. It's got a nutty, crunchy taste. It's tangy and it's really nice. मस्त है यार, बहुत ही अच्छा है.
तो हमारी पहली शाम बैंकॉक में बहुत ही अच्छी गुजरी और होटल वापस जाने के पहले हम रुके 7-Eleven स्टोर में थोड़े बिस्किट्स वगैरह लेने के लिए। थाईलैंड में हर जगह आपको 7-Eleven स्टोर्स मिल जाएंगे जो 24 आवर्स ओपन रहते हैं और यहाँ आपको सारी एसेंशियल आइटम्स मिल जाएंगी।
Hey guys, good morning. Today is our second day in Bangkok. Yesterday we couldn't do much because by the time we were up and refreshed it was evening and we headed out to the mall and we went to the one next door which was Terminal 21 and that was closed at around 10. Please note that malls in Bangkok, most of the shops do shut by around 10 in the night, and then you have the night markets at Siloam and the Neon Market etc. that you can visit at night. Now this morning we've had a good breakfast and then we went for a swim. We had a good time at the pool and now we are ready, all set to hit the malls again. So today the plan is that we first go to the Platinum Mall, maybe check out MBK, and we also want to go to Tesco Lotus. So a lot of shopping to look forward to. We are really excited. Actually the kind of stuff we need is mostly winter wear, being in the hills for about 9 months in a year, and we hope we find some good jackets etc. at good prices here. So we are going to hit the malls and we'll take you along and we'll show you what kind of shopping you can expect in the malls in Bangkok. So let's get the rest of the group together and move out into the streets of Bangkok.
We are headed to the Platinum Mall.
ट्रैफिक काफ़ी थी और हमने BTS स्काई ट्रेन से प्लैटिनम मॉल जाने का डिसाइड किया। तो होटल से हम पैदल चल पड़े और बस 5 मिनट में पहुंच गए BTS का नाना स्टेशन।
This is one thing I really appreciate, given how much you need to walk in Bangkok. Anywhere where there's an escalator and you can skip walking.
नाना स्टेशन पहुंच के हमने प्लैटिनम मॉल जाने की रूट की पूछताछ की।
We want to go to Platinum Mall.
Huh?
Platinum Mall.
You go to Siloam,
Shillong?
and you go down,
Okay.
and you go to about 300 meters to Platinum Mall, Siloam.
Shillong. Okay.
How many percent? 5%?
115. The BTS is a great way to travel in Bangkok. The BTS connects a good part of the city and is a quick and easy mode to travel. So we are waiting for the train right now. And we're on the train.
This is our stop.
BTS is a cheaper way to travel, and now from the station we are just taking the exit and we're going to be walking straight into
The mall. We got into the wrong mall.
हम चले तो थे प्लैटिनम मॉल के लिए पर पहुंच गए सायम पैरागॉन मॉल। इस मॉल में हमने देखा ज्यादातर हाई एंड इंटरनेशनल फैशन ब्रांड्स हैं। अगर आपको ब्रांडेड और महंगी चीजों की शॉपिंग करनी है तो सायम पैरागॉन मॉल आपके लिए परफेक्ट है। वहां से फिर हम चल पड़े सायम सेंटर के लिए।
Now we're headed to Siam Center. Honestly, it's so hot. I could literally jump inside that fountain right now. There's 50% off in most of the stores.
So we just checked out the Siam Center. There were a couple of brands there, but the sales are on and the stuff that they have on display we didn't like too much. So we've stepped out and it's really hot. We have got ourselves smoothies. In this hot weather, mango is like perfect. So that's after just about an hour of walking around at the Siam Center. So I don't know how we are going to last at Platinum Mall. So now we are headed to the Platinum Mall, which is right in front at the end of this walkway. So come along. we are in Platinum Mall and looking around shopping.
प्राथुनम में स्थित प्लैटिनम मॉल फैशन क्लोथ्स और एक्सेसरीज के लिए प्रसिद्ध है। प्लैटिनम शॉपिंग मॉल को लार्जेस्ट होलसेल शॉपिंग डेस्टिनेशन इन थाईलैंड भी कहा जाता है। फैशन क्लोथिंग और फैशन एक्सेसरीज के अलावा आप यहाँ बेल्ट, बैग, शूज और सूटकेसेस भी खरीद सकते हैं।
800 रुपए में एक मस्त स्वेटर है।
प्लैटिनम मॉल के 5 फ्लोर्स में 2 घंटे तक चलने के बाद हमें बस एक ही चीज की जरूरत थी,
Foot massage.
So we've taken a break. We've come to the food court.
प्लैटिनम मॉल के 6th फ्लोर में फूड कोर्ट है जिसमें खाने पीने के बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, लेकिन ज्यादातर नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड अवेलेबल है।
There was just one stall which had the Indian food option. We are trying some biryani. Not too bad. Probably can't expect more than this in Thailand.
करीब 8 बजे मॉल में सारी दुकानें बंद होने लगी और हम वहां से बाहर निकल गए।
On the street outside the mall,
मॉल तो बंद हो गई, लेकिन बाहर सड़क में बहुत चहल पहल थी और बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ थी।
One thing which surprised me was that shops in Platinum Mall started shutting down by 7:15, which was a little too early. So we are headed to Big C, which I can see is right there.
ओवरब्रिज से हम सीधे बिग सी हाइपरमार्केट पहुंच गए। बिग सी सुपर सेंटर थाईलैंड के सबसे बड़े सुपरमार्केट चेन्स में से एक है। इस हाइपरमार्केट में आपको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, होम अप्लायंसेस, फैशन क्लोथ्स, फैशन एक्सेसरीज, ग्रोसरीज, फ्रेश फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स से लेकर अल्कोहल और मेडिसिन्स भी मिल जाएगी। हमारे लंबे रोड ट्रिप के लिए हमें खरीदना था एक इलेक्ट्रिक राइस कुकर। आज का दिन बहुत लंबा रहा और हम काफ़ी थक गए थे। सुबह से हम गए सायम पैरागॉन, सायम सेंटर, प्लैटिनम मॉल, बिग सी एक्सेट्रा, और अब बिग सी में ज़रूरत की चीज़ें खरीदने के बाद हम वापस गए होटल।
Hey guys, this is Kyra and welcome back. Today is day 4 in Bangkok.
We have come back to Platinum Mall. We are in one of the other buildings today, and this building is a little more systematic. The ground floor and the first floor had fashion clothing and accessories. Then the second floor had bags, and now we are on the 3rd and 4th where it's all shoes. So there are shoes everywhere. So I'm looking for nice boots here that I can wear back in Manali, and also some closed shoes.
Because it's shiny from here.
What size you wear?
700.
We are done shopping. We decided not to stay here any longer and we're headed to Tesco Lotus, a big supermart.
Now we've come to Tesco Lotus. That's a pretty big store. So Tesco is again one of the chain retail stores, and they have the entire range of products. The others are already inside, so time to go in and start shopping.
This seems like a pretty big place and it has pretty much everything. Stationery, houseware, kitchenware, the things are really good.
Hey guys, so we are done shopping at Tesco Lotus. Now it's time to head home.